Hello. So I'm doing a quick live video for you here. I want to talk to you about a little thing that I discovered when I was about to go on a holiday. So at the start of April, we went to Spain for our annual family and friends holiday. And before we went, I went into a couple of the, like Boots, Superdrug, Tesco's, that kind of thing, looking for those little plastic bottles because I had, like some moisturizer and stuff like that that I wanted to decant into a little, travel size bottle to take with me because my bottles are too big. Now, first of all, I couldn't find them in a lot of places because I guess because it's a bit too early in the season, really. So that was quite frustrating. But then I was in Tesco's and I saw a little package of two plastic bottles. One was like a pump dispenser thing and the other one was just a, tippy thing. That was about £2. So I went to buy it. But then next door to that was, ooh, this. Okay, this was £7.50. I think there's actually something missing from this, but I'll explain. So in the travel section, here is a bag from Nivea. So it's already travel acceptable. Yeah, you can put it through as your liquids. All the liquids are the right size. It's already in a clear bag. And what is inside? Well, you have some little cleansing wipes, which are great for when you're on holiday because you can just wipe your face, take your makeup off. Fantastic. There is roll-on deodorant, so you don't smell. There is a shower cream, so you can, wash yourself. There's a little lip seal. It's not called lip seal, that's a trade name, isn't it? A little, chapstick. Is that a trade? Oh, you know what it is, okay? Because when you're on holiday, obviously you get dry lips, either from the sun or drinking too much alcohol, whichever. There is also a little pot of moisturizer, and there was a body moisturizer in it, but I don't know what's happened to that. Doesn't matter. So all of those came in this handy little package. It was £7.50, and I went, I'm going to have that because even though Nivea is not my brand of choice, I don't have any other Nivea products at home. I never buy Nivea, but I got this because they made it really, really easy for me to get my needs met. So I needed to have stuff to take my makeup off and stuff to get washed and stuff to keep me clean and stop me smelling in a plastic bag in all the right, quantities. And they put it all in a handy little package for £7.50. Now, probably if I were to buy these things individually, they'd probably cost more. I don't actually know. Maybe I don't know. But the point is, for £7.50, I went, oh, I can just pick that up. I don't even need to worry about anything else. I can just shove that in my bag, and then when I get to the airport, I can shove it in the little tray. It'll go through, beep, no problem whatsoever. Much easier than faffing around decanting your own stuff into the little plastic bottles, which were hard to find anyway. So what is the point of this? Well, the point of this is, how can you apply this to your business? What have you got to offer that you could combine to make a package? So, Nivea, they do their face wipes, okay? So you've got your product that might be your equivalent of face wipes. That's great. And you've got another product, which is I shouldn't use this one because I don't know what it's called, deodorant, okay? So there's your other little product. Can you add those two together for a special offer and make it super enticing for people? So instead of just selling individual things all the time, can you make some kind of special offer? Maybe it's a VIP offer. Maybe it's just because it's the summer coming up, like it's travel season. I'm sure they don't sell this at Christmas. Is there something relevant that something going on that allows you to combine several of your products or services together into one beautiful, attractive package that will make more people buy it? Perhaps people that haven't bought from you before, just because what you're offering makes things really, really simple and solves their problems for them. So there we go. Fantastic little lesson in business from Nivea. Ta-da! Okay, enjoy the rest of your day and I will see you soon. Bye.